Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Maths Make Easy with Pearl, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. So today we have a question on the board. This is an exponential equation. We have 3 raised to the power of m minus 2 raised to the power of m equals 65, and we have to find the value of m. Now I'm going to be walking you through the steps. Now solution. Now I can rewrite this as 3 raised to the power of m all raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of m all raised to the power of 2 over 2 equals 65. Now this doesn't change anything because 2 divided by 2 is still 1, so it doesn't change anything. Now from here, if you apply the power multiplication law, where you also have a raised to the power of n, power of m is the same thing as a raised to the power of n m, or rather a raised to the power of m n, so whichever way. And you see that this has a denominator, so I can rewrite this as 3 raised to the power of m over 2 all raised to the power of 2. It doesn't change anything because this is still multiplying themselves. It's like m over 2 times 2, so which still is the same thing as m times 2 over 2. So it doesn't change anything, it's still the same thing. So just because we are heading somewhere, so this minus, same thing here, we have 2 raised to the power of m over 2 all raised to the power of 2 equals 65. So now from here, I'm going to assume and say let a be equal to 3 raised to the power of m over 2 and b be equal to 2 raised to the power of m over 2. So I'm going to assume that this is my a and this is my b. So anywhere I see this, I'll replace it with a, and anywhere I see this, I'll replace it with b. So replacing it here in this bracket of the equation, we have a squared minus b squared equals 65. Now if you look at this is giving us a difference of 2 squares. Now we have an algebraic identity that when you have a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, difference of 2 squares, this becomes a plus b into bracket a minus b. So whenever you have it in this form, so you replace it with this. So we'll be replacing this with this, so this becomes a plus b into bracket a minus b equals 65. Now 65 can also be written as we know that 65 is 13 times 5. I'm going to replace 65 with 13 times 5, so this will become a plus b bracket a minus b equals 13 times 5. Now you see that these two, they're multiplying themselves to give this. So from here, would say so this implies that a plus b is equals 13, a minus b equals 5. Obviously this will be equal to the larger number because when you add, it's meant to give a number a value bigger than when you subtract b from a, which should give a lesser value. So this becomes a plus b equals the bigger number 13, and then we have a minus b equals 5. So from here, this is giving us a system of equation that's a simultaneous equation, so we have to solve this equation simultaneously, so to find the value of a and b. So I'm going to use elimination method, and I want to get rid of b, so I'm going to add both equations together, so that plus b minus b gives us 0 goes, and we're left with a plus b, a plus a plus a, that's 2a equals 13 plus 5, that is 18. So this implies we have 2a equals 18. So I divide through by 2, so that 2 cancels 2, a equals 9. So we have gotten the value of a to be 9. So now let's find b. To get b, so I can use any of the equations, either this or this. So let's say I go with equation 1, that's a plus b equals 13. So now we have a, so anywhere we see a, we replace it with 9. So that's 9 plus b equals 13. So we have that b equals, now I'm going to move 9 over to this side, so it becomes 13 minus 9. So that b equals 13 minus 9 is 4. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now so now you see that we've gotten a and we've gotten b. So coming back here, so we have that so when, because we are looking for m, so when a equals 9, so we have that 9 equals 3 raised to the power of m over 2. So you see that 9 can be expressed as a power of 3. So that is 3 raised to the power of 2. That's 3 times 3, which is 9. So replacing it 9, so it equals 3 raised to the power of m over 2. Now you see that the bases are the same, so we simply cancel the base and equate the power. So this becomes, we have 2 equals m over 2. Now I'm looking for m, our base is over 1, and then cross multiply. So this implies that what m equals, this is m times 1, which gives m, equals 2 times 2, which gives 4. So I have that m is 4. Now let's check when b is let's check when b is 4 and see if we also get m to be 4. So when b is 4, when b equals 4, we also have 4 to be equal to what? 2 raised to the power of m over 2. So 4 can be written as what? 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, equals 2 raised to the power of m over 2. So same thing here, the bases are the same, cancel the base and then equate the powers. We have 2 equals m over 2. So we base this over 1 and then I cross multiply. So n times 1, I have that n equals 2 times 2 gives me 4. So you see that we've gotten 4 as our answer. So we can see that m is 4. So therefore m equals 4. Now we can also check this. So let's put it back into the equation and check our results. So now to check, well, check. So anywhere we see m in the equation, we replace it with 4. So we have 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 65. So let's see if what we have here equals 65. So 3 raised to the power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So it's a 1 minus, this is 2 raised to the power of 4, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16. So let's see, it's actually give us 65. So 81 minus 16 is what? 65. So you can see that this is our exact solution. So please, if you found this video helpful and useful, do well to drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester, got the future in sight.